Election Commission's flying squad and static surveillance team seized 1 crore rupees in cash from an SUV car closely following Meghalaya Chief Minister Conrad'S Sangma's convoy at Kanubari checkpost in Longding district of Arunachal Pradesh around 3:30 p.m. yesterday. According to a report of Shillong Times, Longding Superintendent of Police Dikyo Gumja said that the cash was recovered from a Fortuner car bearing Assam registration number AS01ET5252. The money and the vehicle belonged to Executive Director of Badri Rai and Construction Limited, Harshvardhan Singh, stating that the car was not a part of Sangma's official convoy but was closely following it. Gumja further said that the seized cash was sent to SBI for safety reasons until further investigation. He also informed that the case has been handed over to District Election Officer DEO. It may be recalled that Sangma went to Dibrugarh on a 4-day visit to various parts of Arunachal Pradesh, including Longding and Tezu, to campaign for National People's Party (NPP) ahead of the upcoming Lok Sabha elections and simultaneous assembly polls in Arunachal Pradesh.